you were demanded to pray, but you were given grace to pray. We also need to carry grace that will enable them to pray. If you are a intercessor, you can't be angry at people for not praying. But you should pray enough grace for yourself and them. So that's ngoba when you are an intercessor, because you were given the spirit of intercession. It is that spirit that is working in you that makes you to pray. So we should carry grace that will enable people. As an intercessor, akukho enough that you pray. Ngoba izinto zakho uyazisebenza ngequorum. Ngabona ukuthi i-apostolic mission engakwazi ukuqhubeka until uJudas replaced. There was a quorum eyayilindelekile ukuthi ayimithwe before i-purpose kaNkulunkulu can be executed. Even in our prayers, kune quorum at times okufanele ukuthi imithe. Kuthola ukuthi you are praying hard, you are committed to prayer, but it's like things are not moving. It is the quorum that is not met. Meaning people need to be imparted with the grace. So for me, because I believe if not all of us, it is because they have a burden and the grace to intercede. God, that the next thing that we do, it is to have something that is so kumele muva nayo sikwazi ukuthi si-imparte to others. So that is kaNkulunkulu zizohamba nge-frequency ekufanele sihambe ngayo, zizohamba nge-speed ekufanele sihambe ngazo. Lisi iBhayibheli ababili bangcono kunoyedwa. There is a level of heat achievekayo kuma it is more than one. So oyedwa is able to chase 1,000. Ababili are able to chase 10,000. Imagine, not even double of what one can do. It's like tenfold that they can be able to achieve. For me, I know He has graced us with the grace to pray. But for me, the current agents is that we carry what we will go back and impart to others. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. So I want us to pray, Bazalwane. Pray about that. So uNkulunkulu must grace us with a grace that we are able to impart the spirit of intercession. So you become a seed, you become a biliso, become a yeast. You are able to uhlale nabantu umuntu athi hayi uyazi bengingakwazi ukuthandaza. I can sense ukuthi ilevel yomthandazo wami isikhuphukile since ngihlala nawe, since ngihamba nawe, since I engage with you, since I speak with you. I noticed ukuthi I can pray better. I noticed ukuthi senginomthwalo ngomthandazo, umthwalo bekade ngingenawo. I want us to have a prayer this morning. Can we have a God that we are able to